So today we're looking at the BMW Classic R2000cc for 2026. And honestly, this one caught my attention more than I expected. Now, BMW is calling this a classic-inspired modern boxer, and that 2000cc engine is the headline here. It's huge, it's torquey, and it's built more for that relaxed, low RPM cruising feel than outright track aggression. First impression? It looks incredible in person. Very old-school BMW styling, wide stance, exposed mechanicals, and that signature boxer engine just sitting proudly in the frame. On the road, it's all about torque. You barely need to rev it. It just pulls smoothly and confidently. It's not trying to be a sports bike, it's more of a statement cruiser with modern electronics backing it up. You get riding modes, traction control, and a surprisingly refined ride for something this big. But here's the thing, it's heavy, and you feel it when you're moving it around in tight spaces. So is it worth your money? If you want raw speed per dollar, no. But if you want character, presence, and that classic BMW feel with modern tech, then yeah, this bike absolutely makes sense. It's not perfect, but it is memorable.